Sinyoung everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. So many of you lovelies requested this video, so welcome to our full face exercises to achieve a more attractive symmetrical face. Balance face asymmetry naturally. Let's begin.
Wow!
First, prep your clean skin with your favorite facial oil, serum, moisturizer, or cream. Make sure your hands are clean. During our exercise, if you notice one side feels harder to do, you'll want to practice that side more consistently. We're going to begin with a powerful breathing exercise with alternate nostril breathing. We're going to use our two fingers, like this, to place on our inner third eye, like so. And we're going to use these two fingers to press our nostrils, like so. So we're going to place our fingers like this. We're going to close our left nostril and inhale through your right. Hold, close your right nostril, and we're going to exhale fully through your left. Inhale through your left. Hold, close your left nostril, exhale fully through your right. Inhale through your right. Hold, close your right nostril, exhale fully through your left. Release. Now we're going to use our knuckles to gently release our masseter muscles for better results, like this. Release. Now we're going to do my favorite ultimate face and neck stretch. You should feel a lot going on throughout here, as well as the sides. We're going to gently place our hands on our heart, and we're going to go up like this. Release. We're going to go to the left. Release. Back to the center. To the right. Back to the center. Release. Now we're going to stretch our lower face gently diagonally downwards, each side at a time, like this. Release. Now we're going to lift our face upwards. We're going to purse our lips together and lift to one side, and then do the other side, like this. Release. Now we're going to do a balloon face exercise, left and right, like this. Release. Now we're going to go up and down like this. Release. Now we're going to work on our eye muscles by winking left and right, one side at a time. Make sure there's no wrinkling by holding your forehead nice and taut like so. And we're going to place our other hand like this. And as we wink, we're going to be working on other muscles on our face as well, like this. Release. Now we're going to work on our forehead muscles. There are muscles running up here, so we're going to place our hands to keep it nice and wrinkle-free and lift our forehead muscles in pulsing motions, like this. Release. Now we're going to use our knuckles to gently release our temporalis muscles, helping to release any tension you're carrying. Everything is all connected here. Release. Now we're going to stretch the sides of our neck here, like so. And you can look down and up for more stretch all throughout the tops of your shoulder, your traps. Switch. Release. Now, gently place your hands on your shoulder and roll your shoulders back and down. Come back to your posture, your breath. Release. Great job, you're amazing. Do this 1 to 2 times per day for 7 days and you will notice positive changes. Others will notice too. As always, consistency equals results. You will see even more results when you have fun and enjoy yourself while doing this. Here are my tips to achieve face symmetry naturally. Number 1, similar to pulling up your pelvic floor for better posture and health, you want to practice placing your tongue fully on the roof of your mouth, like this. Number 2, when you're eating, try to chew both sides evenly. Number 3, throughout the day, use your non-dominant hands and legs a little more. For example, if you always brush your teeth with your right hand, practice using your left hand to brush your teeth a little more. Number 4, if you're a side sleeper, try to sleep more on your back. Lastly, it's not about perfection. A little bit of asymmetry is normal and makes you look unique. If you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join our membership. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any video requests or questions, let me know in the comments below. You can find all of my current favorite products, including our merch, in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and following along. Stay hydrated, my beautiful Lémore lovelies. 안녕!